I think we need to take care and we need to look with very attention about the energy security and supply. But I think we are, in respect of last year, in a much better position. I'm talking about Italy, but it is more or less true all over Europe. I mean, storage has been never such a high level in the years before. So we are very well positioned for the next winter. Italy has put in operation another LNG terminal recently. So honestly, I see the next winter to be much more, let me say, secure than the previous one, even though we have demonstrated it with action government, with the fact that the storage was completely filled up, and also thanks to the mild weather, we were able to pass the winter with no problem at all.
Can I bring up interconnections? Because that still seems to be a problem for Europe. And if you look at some of the new pipelines, I was stunned, the one that comes from Azerbaijan through into Turkey and then on across to Europe. How important is it at this point that we have diversity in supply lines, and how far do you think that's gone at this point?
To me, that is absolutely fundamental to have diversification of supply. Pipeline, it takes a little bit more time to get ready to. If you look at the LNG terminal, we were able to put 105 BCM in just less than 1 year. So you need to leverage LNG terminal and pipes with a prospect that should not be only few years ahead, but you should look about 20 years ahead. That's the only way in which we will still investing in infrastructure that are fundamental to guarantee security of supply and diversification of supply.
When you think about the cost side, at this point, I mean, we were having a discussion a few weeks ago about whether the European gas price would go negative intraday, and here we are talking about 10 sessions and there's now concern about supply. The fluctuations you're seeing, what does it do to your 20-year story of investing when even day to day, week to day, month to day, you see these huge changes now in the price?
Yeah, you know, we are going to see for, I would probably say 12 to 24 months, a lot of volatility on the price. And that is what we have already seen in the last few months.